back with another video. Today's video will be a full review and test drive of my 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. Now, as you can see, it's in smoke show gray. This is a new color for the 2021s. Also, you can see a Hellcat sign right here. There is a Redeye in the Hellcat now. There was in the Challengers, but now there's a Charger Redeye. Now we're gonna go over to the rims. So what's new about this year's rims are their new carbon lightweight wheels, and also the Brembo brakes no longer say Brembo, they say SRT all around. We're gonna come over to the front. As you know, with the 2020 Hellcat wide bodies, there is a new fascia for the Hellcats. Also with the Redeye Charger, there's a bigger snout, so this snout is a lot bigger than the regular Hellcats. I'm gonna take a look around. Let you guys take one more good look at the car. So as you guys know, this is a 20 by 11 inch rim. 20 inches tall, 11 inches wide, and they come with Pirelli all season 305 35 20 tires. Me personally, I don't really like these too much other than in the rain, because of course with this much horsepower, these are never gonna hook, like, ever. So that's why I have these. Now these are Nitto 555 R2 drag radial tires, and they'll hook a lot better on this car once I put them on. So yeah, let's take another look at the car. So some features that come with this specific car is the blind spot detection, keyless entry. Of course, we have the red leather seats in here. We have the suede interior package, no navigation, and we have the Harman Kardon sound system. Alright guys, this is the interior of the vehicle. As you can see, I do also have the carbon fiber and suede interior package. We have a sunroof here. Now let's turn the vehicle on so we can see all the features of the new Redeye. So we have media, of course we have Sirius XM. Let's see, climate control, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, a mirror dimmer. We have all kinds of apps, SRT apps, everything. You connect settings, all that good stuff. Now let's go over to the SRT modes. Now, this is new for the Charger Redeye. So if you go to race options, we now have race cool down, a shift light, the chiller. They always had launch control and line lock, but this is so cool. So basically, if you put the car, let me see, it gives you a checklist basically. So the engine has to be off, hood, battery status, cooling, all that good stuff. So basically I would have to turn the engine off and it will start the power chiller process, or race cool down I should say. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's new for this 2021 Redeye. And everything else should be the same. These are the performance pages. They do take quite a while to load, but I'll just fast forward for you guys. Okay, so we have home. They tell you the horsepower, current, gear, G-force, all that good stuff. We have all the timers and stuff, so anything from the 60 foot to the quarter mile. All the gauges like heat, temperature, all that good stuff. G-forces, engine, and actually do have a dyno. So as you can see, it changes with throttle response. So yeah. Of course you have your glove box. There's still 2 cup holders, and then there's an extra one down there. And then of course you have this 2 USB ports, also a charger right here with the lighter, you know, the old school lighter charger and stuff like that. But yeah, this red interior is so beautiful. They all come with this tag that say natural leather. The back seats are the same. I have 2 tires back there, but you get the gist of it. They did take out the middle cup holder, so that middle, usually in like the Scat Packs, the middle part comes down. There's 2 cup holders. They are no longer there, but there's still 2 pockets down there if you do have, you know, drinks and stuff like that. All right, guys, let's take a look inside. So this is the all-new Hellcat Redeye Charger engine. You can tell it's a Redeye because, I don't know if you can see, the block down there is red instead of orange. All Redeyes come with a green belt, not a black one. You have this huge air intake. Of course, you have the 2.7 liter blower up top. And then everything else should be the same from the Hellcats. But yeah, the difference between a Hellcat and Redeye is also it has upgraded internals, so like pistons and rods and stuff like that. It's all stronger than the Hellcat. This thing gets pretty hot pretty fast, so that's where these vents come from, or they come in handy, I should say. And of course, you have your inlet intake. It is active, it is real, and it works. All right, now we're gonna take a drive in the 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. I have it in 797 mode right now, so it hasn't really been broken in. I got like 200 miles on it, but I'll try to do what I can for you guys. So you see the little pool right here. The car turns pretty good. I mean, it's no Lamborghini or anything like that, but it can handle its own for the size of the car. People that say this car can't turn, it's a boat. I get it. It is a bigger car, but at the end of the day, it can do whatever. Yeah, for those people that's saying this car can't turn and all that good stuff, like, I get it. It's a bigger car. You're not used to it. But if you know how to drive, this car can do what most cars can. I'm pretty sure this car can do whatever a Camaro can do. Like, literally, like, this car can take turns hard. And I think it goes unnoticed most times because people just want to make a meme about the car. Like, oh, it can't take turns, it's a boat. It's like, okay, yeah, but I'm pretty sure this car can outdo whatever the person that's talking shit about. You know what I mean? Like, I'm pretty sure this car can turn better than your Honda Civic, bro. But I don't know, it's just my opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. But yeah, so coming from a Scat Pack, I can say this car is very powerful compared to that car. It almost makes the Scat Pack feel like an RT almost. Like, don't get me wrong, the gearing is different from the Scat to a Hellcat to even a Redeye, because Scat Packs have 309 gearing and Hellcats have 2.6 gearing, and it's a huge difference. This car is a lot smoother. What I can say is the Scat Pack is a lot more punchier from like 0 to 20, but after that, it's pretty much the Hellcat's, you know, world. You know what I mean? Like, this car is amazing in every type of way. It's probably one of the fastest cars. Matter of fact, I can't even say that anymore. It is the fastest car I've driven, and I've driven a lot of things from Corvettes to regular Hellcats to quadrifolios to Audis, all that stuff. And this car takes the cake by far. This car is so different compared to any other car. Like I used to watch videos and you know, people would be like, yeah man, it's so different, you'll never find this type of, and I used to think it was a lot of BS at first, but honestly and truly, like, this car cannot be duplicated by any other car. I don't care if you got a Camaro, a GT500, or a C8. No car will ever be like this car. No car will ever put power down like this car. You know what I mean? Like, it's just a different atmosphere, man. And you could really tell. You could really tell the difference if you get in one. If you got a friend or something like that got one, just ask them to, you know, take you for a ride. I guarantee you will be surprised. Even if they have a Hellcat and you went from a Hellcat to a Redeye, there is a big difference. Like, people don't actually realize that. They think, oh, it's just a glorified Hellcat. No, this is a totally different car. This is a demon engine, detuned, literally. Hellcats don't even have the same engine as this, the same block. So keep that in mind when you think about this. If you're thinking about purchasing one of these, keep that in mind. Like, I know you want to probably save money, go the cheaper route, get a Hellcat, save like 10K or whatever, or 5K. I don't know what the price difference is, but I guarantee you this little extra, whatever it is, 5 to 10K, it is definitely worth it. So keep that in mind. Also, this car is a rarity. SRT is done, and we know that SRT is done for sure. So this may very well be the last Charger Hellcat Redeye. Kind of like the Trackhawk and the Demon. It might be a 1-year production thing. They might start doing stuff with Stellantis next year, or a whole new different engine. So just keep that in mind when you're thinking about buying these types of cars. All right, so that was my review of the 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out this thing. Peace.